building sector is a key leverage point to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, as around 36% GHG emissions of the EU originate from the building stock. CO2 emissions are released not only during the operational life, but also during the manufacturing, transportation, construction, and end-life stages of buildings. These emissions, usually referred to as embodied carbon, have been largely overlooked in the past. We have to transform the way we renovate buildings as climate change urges us. Take your part. You can reduce embodied carbon by avoiding the construction of buildings or building less, using fewer and/or climate-friendly, low-carbon building materials, reusing and using recycled building materials. Let's have an example. The circular house in Berlin, built from used and reusable elements. A 3,500 square meter building, which was converted from the warehouse of the former Kindle Brewery in February 2022, is not only sustainable in its energy use, but the building itself is built according to circular, sustainable architectural principles. In addition to the building materials, interior elements can be dismantled and reused elsewhere should the building's function change in the future. Office space is furnished with second-hand and rented furniture, also with a view to reducing waste. Wall openings sometimes even had to be adapted to the size of second-hand windows available.
As part of SURF project, Deutsche Umwelthilfe, Energieclub and AE3R have developed a set of supporting materials to assist municipalities and other stakeholders in designing, procuring and implementing their building renovation projects. The 3 fact sheets, for example, provide a good overview over the key topics such as climate-friendly building materials, a life cycle approach, financing options, and green public procurement for buildings. The sustainability checklist takes you step by step through the entire sustainable building renovation process by answering simple and targeted questions. The Green Public Procurement Guidelines offer an easy-to-follow advice in how to integrate green criteria into the public procurement procedure for building renovation and construction. So as the urgency for an ambitious climate action intensifies, rethinking building renovation is essential to our sustainable future. So please join us in driving this important change.